Scalar energy for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about scalar energy for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a general term used to describe progressive lung diseases, including emphysema, chronic bronchitis, and refractory asthma. Typically, the first symptoms of emphysema occur in heavy smokers in their mid-50s. People with chronic asthma can get airway obstruction that makes them more likely to develop COPD. If you are suffering from COPD, you may become shortness of breath when climbing stairs or walking around the house. You may also have a regular cough and feel constantly tired. With the right and natural treatment, you can manage your COPD, breathe better, and enjoy your life. Scalar energy is a kind of natural healing energy that can work for COPD without side effects. How can scalar energy work for COPD? COPD is a chronic inflammatory lung disease where the airway is thickened and inflamed. Over time, COPD causes obstructed lung airflow. Scalar energy can reduce the inflammation and restore the flow of air into and out of the lungs. When this happens, more oxygen reaches the blood, and it becomes easier to get rid of the waste gas, carbon dioxide. In chronic bronchitis, the bronchial tubes keep constantly irritated and inflamed, triggered by some viruses, bacteria, or irritant particles. Scalar energy can also kill virus and bacteria by stimulating our natural immune system. When our immune system is weakened or is malfunctioning, it will increase your risk of COPD. Scalar energy can provide energetic support for our immune system, making it better able to safeguard our body. People with COPD who also have anxiety or depression are more likely to be readmitted to the hospital within 30 days of living. Scalar energy works well on anxiety and depression. It can help with stress, which may strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of respiratory infections. It can help relieve stress, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of respiratory infections. How to help with COPD using Spooky 2 Scalar. Spooky 2 Scalar is the first scalar treatment that can apply scalar energy in 3 different ways: pure scalar, molecular scalar, and Rife scalar. Now, let's learn how to help with COPD using Spooky 2 Scalar. Pure scalar. Pure scalar is the easiest way of applying healing scalar energy because nothing special needs to be done. Tune Spooky 2 Scalar and then sit between the transmitter and receiver. The pure scalar energy then flows to your body. One of our users shared that her fibromyalgia, cold, bronchitis, and her sister's COPD are all eased with Spooky 2 Scalar. Molecular scalar. Placing a substance on the receiver coil can further enhance the scalar signal. The molecules within the sample will change the signal between the leads. You get the curative effect of the chemical. The substance can be essential oils or drugs. For instance, you can place eucalyptus oil on receiver coil, which can reduce cough attacks in people with COPD. Also, it reduces shortness of breath and improves lung function as well as health status overall. Rife scalar. The third way to improve scalar energy is through the use of Rife modulation. Connect your Spooky 2 Scalar to the generator and then tune your Spooky 2 Scalar. Sit between the transmitter and receiver while the programs are running. Spooky 2 Scalar accepts any frequency from the massive Spooky 2 database. Type COPD in the search bar and find suitable programs you need according to the program description. If you have any questions about scalar energy or COPD, welcome to comment below.